The U.S. federal government's financial management practices have roots dating back to 1789 when the Department of Treasury was established. However, modern federal financial management standards were largely shaped by the Chief Financial Officers Act of 1990. In the complex world of federal finance, government agencies without strong financial accounting and management expertise often struggle to meet stringent regulatory requirements and achieve fiscal accountability. They may face challenges in complying with federal accounting standards, struggle with budget execution, or fail to provide transparent financial reporting. This can result in audit findings, reduced public trust, and inefficient use of taxpayer funds. At the individual and team level, finance professionals in federal agencies may find it difficult to navigate the unique aspects of government accounting, struggle with implementing federal financial management systems, or face challenges in reconciling agency-specific needs with government-wide requirements. This can lead to compliance issues, inefficient financial processes, and missed opportunities for financial optimization. This comprehensive training course comes to the rescue by providing in-depth knowledge and practical skills in federal government financial accounting and management. It equips participants with the tools to navigate the complex landscape of federal finance, ensure compliance, and drive financial efficiency in government operations. By taking this course, individuals will gain expertise in federal accounting standards, budget execution processes, federal financial statements preparation, and performance and accountability reporting. They'll learn to implement effective internal controls, use federal financial management systems, and apply cost accounting principles in a government context. The impact on federal agencies can be substantial. With well-trained professionals in federal financial management, agencies can expect improved compliance with federal regulations, enhanced transparency in financial reporting, and better stewardship of public resources. This leads to increased public trust, improved decision-making, and more efficient use of taxpayer dollars. At the personal and team level, employees will become more confident in their ability to manage federal finances effectively. They'll be able to contribute to improved financial processes, provide valuable insights for resource allocation, and help drive financial accountability across their agencies. This expertise can lead to career advancement opportunities within federal financial management roles. Don't let complexities of federal financial management hinder your agency's effectiveness. Empower yourself and your team with the skills to excel in federal government financial accounting and management. Enroll in this course today and take a crucial step towards enhancing financial stewardship and accountability in your federal agency.